The Romani people, who constitute one of Bulgaria's largest ethnic minorities, have a unique marriage tradition, a bride market. Held 4 times a year on various religious holidays, the market is a chance for poor families in the community to arrange financially beneficial marriages for their children. The families that gather in the city of Stara Zagora for the festival are part of a gypsy community of 18,000 Roma known as Kalaydzhii. They are traditionally coppersmiths, and among the most poverty-stricken people in the nation. The bride market is a chance for these families to get together, catch up on gossip, and arrange matches for their adolescent children. The event is a colorful one, with grannies dressed in traditional Kalaydzhii long skirts, and children running about and eating candyfloss. The prospective brides are usually dressed provocatively in mini skirts, with gobs of mascara, flashy jewelry and towering heels. They dance alongside their male suitors on car hoods, which is quite rare in a community that generally does not allow youths to mingle with the opposite sex. In fact, the Kalaydzhii, who are devout Christians, take girls out of school at age 15 to keep them away from temptation. "We are maintaining the morals of the children by marrying them off at a young age," said Kosta Kostov, a spectator at the fair. "If she's not a virgin, the bride's family has to give the money back." The bridal market tradition is quite an old one, spanning several generations. It used to take place in an open field next to a horse trading market in a small village in Bulgaria. The brides-to-be would stand on stage, while suitors competed against each other for their hand. Last year, however, police decided to move the venue to the city in order to avoid tension with the horse traders.